Looking for a truck rack that fits your 2020 Chevy Colorado LT 4x4 crew cab like it was made just for you? The Backrack 10600 headache rack delivers exactly that: custom fit, solid build, and straightforward installation. If you've been hunting for a reliable rack that won't leave you guessing about compatibility, this one's worth your attention. I was skeptical at first because some sources claim the 10600 doesn't fit the 2020 Chevy Colorado. But after testing it myself, I can confirm it fits perfectly, no modifications needed. The rack aligns seamlessly with the truck's frame, providing sturdy support without interfering with your bed or cab. Plus, it comes with a standard hardware installation kit designed specifically for trucks without a cross-bed toolbox behind the cab, making the whole process smooth and hassle-free. I took my time and still had it installed in under 30 minutes. What you get with the Backrack 10600 is more than just a rack. It's peace of mind knowing your gear stays secure, your truck stays protected, and your setup looks clean and professional. Made in Canada with quality materials, this rack weighs just over 6 kilograms but feels rock solid once mounted. If you're ready to upgrade your Chevy Colorado with a headache rack that fits and performs as promised, this is the one to consider. Worth a look if you want a straightforward, durable solution that won't waste your time or money. Try it when you're ready.